Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM and SD cards so nothing shorts. Next, heat the screen edge to about 70 degrees C to soften adhesive. This helps separation. Use a suction cup and a 0.5 mm pry pick. Insert gently and work a corner. Once you have a visible gap, run a thin pick around the bezel while holding steady suction. Make sure to keep parts organized on a magnetic mat. This saves time when reassembling. Once the display is loose, remove the bracket screws and lift any shields protecting connectors. Mark screw positions as you go. Then disconnect the battery first. This avoids accidental shorts while you unplug the main display and digitizer cables. Carefully free and transfer cameras, earpiece speaker, and any home button or fingerprint modules to the replacement screen, because these are often not included. Clean the frame of old adhesive and debris. Adhesion and component placement determine long-term touch and display performance, so be precise. Align the new screen and apply fresh adhesive strips or a thin 2 mm bead of OEM-grade adhesive to the frame so the panel seats evenly. Reconnect the display and digitizer cables, then reconnect the battery before securing connector shields and screws. Power on and test touch, display uniformity, cameras, and any biometric sensors. If you still see lines, power down and reseat the display flex cable. Tiny debris or a loose connector often causes artifacts. If lines persist, the replacement flex or panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.